battery testing from AutoZone helps you do a lot. It saves someone from buying...
Test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado or flash flood or a civil emergency warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Tuesdays while supplies last. Tax secretary, extra additional restrictions.